Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to install these fog lights. Now I hope I'm saying this right, but the folks at Auxito sent me some fog lights. This should be for all of your General Motors, Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, full-size SUVs and trucks. Now your specific bulb may be slightly different depending on the year, make, and model. I'm putting these on a 2004 Chevy Avalanche with the body cladding, and that's the 880 model of the bulb. Now the process is very simple and straightforward. You just climb under the bumper, give the light socket a slight twist, slides out, pop the bulb from the socket, put the new bulb in, place it back in the socket, and give it a twist. It's about a quarter turn to lock or unlock it as far as the twist. Now, these come in a sealed package, and I do recommend wearing gloves. Obviously the old style bulbs, if you touch them with your bare hands, you could shorten their life. I'm going to just take that precaution with the LEDs. So whether or not these are polarized is not going to matter, because there's only one way that they can connect in the fixture. So you can't accidentally put them in the wrong polarity. With your regular bulbs that don't have a specific way to go in, obviously with a LED, if it's a polarized LED, which a lot of them are, you put it in the wrong direction, you won't know until you turn the lights on, and then have to go back and redo the job. But with these, there's only one way they can go, and so we don't have to worry about polarity. And here you can see a comparison of the LED and the factory bulb. Yes, believe it or not, my truck's in 04, hit the road October 2003. Unless I forgot, these are actually the original factory bulbs. They're still working, but LEDs typically are just so much better than the old style incandescent bulbs. So my guess is, as little as I drive my truck, these will probably last me the rest of its useful life. So we're underneath the vehicle now, and this one is your daytime running light, and this one is your fog light here. It's about a quarter turn twist. And then you see you got that tab there to release, to pull the bulb out. So we'll try to do this one-handed with the camera going, but you get the idea. You're gonna just flip that tab up and the bulb will come out. And then we'll just snap the new LED right on there and put it back in the fixture and give it a quarter turn to lock it into place. Okay, you see I've got the new LED on there. I'm gonna fish it back into the hole there. Feel for where it lines up. It's approximately off the top of the bulb facing about 10 o'clock, and then give it a little twist till the top of the bulb is at 12 o'clock. So just a very slight twist from this position to there. And we'll repeat the same thing on the driver's side. Alright, this is the driver's side. Okay, on this one I'm going to show you a different way to do it. Is to disconnect the electrical while the light's still in the socket, then remove the socket, put the new light in, and then reconnect the electrical. I think that method's a little bit easier than removing the whole thing and trying to remove the electrical from the loose bulb. But do whatever you want to do. Just line it up in this fashion, and then give it a Like I say, it's about a quarter turn, and then just reattach that. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.